The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall skilla! Alright viewers and subscribers, Dancehall skilla there again. Yes, big up and respect to each and every one. I hope that everyone is okay and alright? Alright, yeah, big up. Alright, from my little youth until me a big grown man at this age, I have heard about relationships that gone bad, and I have heard that some of those relationships ended in violence. And I want to point it out to each and every one that I don't think it helps to act violent in a relationship that gone bad. You see me? Yeah, me Dancehall skilla, I don't believe in no form of violence. No matter what, no violence, none at all. I don't believe in it. Now, I have a video that I'm going to present to you, and this video is about a man who accused a female who he said is his wife of cheating on him. Now, for you, my viewers and subscribers, to get a good understanding as to how the man come to the conclusion of accusing the female who he said is his wife of cheating on him, I think it would be best for you, my viewers and subscribers, to take a look at the video and listen to the things that I said in the video. See? And you can also tell me, how would you handle a situation like this shown in the video if you was the man or the woman shown in the video? So may I say, yeah, you can tell me what I think overall about the entire video. See? In my point of view, it seems as if the female was scared of the man during when the video had been recorded. I cannot talk about before and after when the video had been recorded because I was not there. And the man acted some ways towards the female that makes me wonder if the man was abusive towards the female before and or after the video had been recorded. See? Anyways, I'm going to present the video to you, and let me know what you think about the video. And please bear in mind that this video shows a man who was acting some aggressive ways towards a female, and some harsh languages had been used in the video. I removed some of those harsh languages, but you might hear some harsh languages in the video. Alright? So I want to make it be very clear to each and every one that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Hey bro, let me tell you why she's getting a divorce. It's because I caught her on this glide cheating on me. Yeah, she not already up in Mississippi. Now I'm finding out she talking to you too. Yeah, tell this that you somebody else. Tell him.
I screwed somebody.
Exactly. Tell this mother and don't even sit here and try to play.
I screwed somebody.
And now she done brought her dumb ass back home all the way to California to try to get back with me. And now I found out she talking to you too.
I'm not talking to
you. You are talking to this mother. You've been talking to this mother for the longest. And he don't know. I bet you don't know she married, do you? You don't know it. It ain't your fault. You don't know it. She lied to the other guy too. She didn't tell the guy she was married. Now, oh yeah, he's your friend, right? I bet you he don't know about me. But you do it on my phone that I take care of you with, right? I pay for this phone. You don't pay for the phone. I pay for everything you do. Every muscle on your body. Show them rings. Show the rings. I pay for all this. And you take your ass on this, right? Huh?
No.
Yes, you do. Don't lie. And you brought your ass all the way back here just for me to find out. Because you didn't know I was going to be smart enough to add the app back. Yeah, before she walked in the house, she deleted the app. No, but I put the right back on there, and guess what? All your messages popped up. But like I said, it ain't your fault. But I just want you to know what you're dealing with. You're dealing with a right here. And I called her because she's my wife, and she's doing like this on me. You see what I'm saying? Don't cry now. Don't cry now. And yes, again, she already up in Mississippi and gonna call herself, gonna come back to me and make up for this. How you gonna make up for fucking somebody? Okay? Now tell this, you married.
I'm married.
And you fucked up, ain't you?
And I'm fucked up.
You brought your ass all the way back here just for this?
just my friend.
He's not your friend. The other guy was your friend too. Everybody's your friend. Nobody's your friend without your husband being involved. None of my female friends are my friends and don't know my wife. None of them. And I don't be on no fucking app talking to nobody. Alright, bro. Have a nice day. Nice night, whatever you having. But it's about to be on over here. Say bye. Say bye. Say look at what? I don't have to look at shit. You shouldn't have been talking to nobody. Your daddy already told you. And just like you saying this friend, you was friending the other and you ended up in the hotel room with him. Shut the fuck up. You can't defend nothing. You're always trying to defend your and just a minute ago she was in here crying, talking about why are you leaving me? Why are you leaving me? Begging me to stay. And this the you doing to me? You just ain't had a chance to get with the yet. That's the only thing. That's the only difference between this and the other. The other you got a chance to see. Him, you was going to get a chance to see. Because that's all it takes when you communicating back and forth. One day you going to see each other. I'm friend now. Friend. I done played the friend game with a whole bunch of damn women. Okay? It's playing you. And you stupid enough to believe it. Now she went to see the other. He wouldn't even let her come to his house. He put her in a hotel room down the street from her house. And she still him like a little 21-year-old would do. And she's 41 years old. And you ain't smart enough to fucking understand game. And then you dumb enough to come back to me trying to get me back. And you still talking to me. You about the most up woman in the world. I don't give a fuck what your conversation was. You and the other dude conversation was just friendly. Everybody conversation is going to be just friendly, okay? How you doing? Oh, I hope you're okay. You don't have to say, I want to. You don't have to say it. And you dumb enough to spread your legs while you married. You going to hell, Shonda. Because you going to hell for being.
Alright, my people, you see me dancehall skilla. I always try to give the best advice that I can, you see me? And, you know, when I look at this video, it makes me think and I start to understand certain situations, you see? Alright, so, I know so that if someone find out that someone a cheat on him or her, right? The person might be upset, see? But, I start to realize that you have some persons who might find themselves in a situation where if they even find out that the person cheat on him or her, then the person might find it somewhat difficult to walk away or leave or get out of the person's way. You see me? Yeah, because what I'm trying to say is that maybe both of those persons are married and them living at the same house, and this one find out that that one cheat on him or her, because I'm speaking generally for both genders. Everybody I'm speaking for. I'm not talking about no man versus woman thing or no woman versus man thing. No, I'm talking for everyone, right? Yeah, but just for example, I'm going to say this. Let's say a woman found out that a man cheat on her. See? Then maybe she might find it hard to leave that man because maybe she live in the same house with the man and don't have anywhere else to go, and she might not have enough money to move out of the house and all these things. So therefore, it reached to the point where both of those persons have to be seeing each other even though they're not in love anymore. And some of the times a situation like that can reach to a point where both persons end up arguing at each other and all these things. You see me I say? So, you know, I hope you understand what I'm trying to say now. But still, I want to encourage anyone who might find themselves in a situation like that to try and maintain your focus. Try and see if you can stay calm and take your time and work your way out if that is what you want. You see me? Or if you want the person to leave, fine. You see me? Now, I know so a certain marriage might reach into court and all these things. You see me? I say all them the thing there. The point is, what me I try to say overall is, no matter what you do, don't let a bad relationship end in violence. That is what me I try to say. See me? No matter how you take it, no matter where it goes, don't make a bad relationship end in no form of violence. If you can avoid confrontation, which I highly recommend to avoid the confrontation, avoid it, because sometimes arguments or confrontations turn into violence and all these things, because this person can say something and the next person might feel offended, and then this person turn around and start to yell to the next person, feel offended, and then it starts to become into something where both persons yelling, and then boom, problem. I do not agree with some of the things that I saw and heard in the video, viewers and subscribers. You know, the aggressive ways how the man acted towards the female, no, I do not agree with those things, you see it? And you know, I think it is unfair for me to look at someone and say, hey, don't be upset about something that clearly might have upset someone. You see me? No, I think it is unfair for me to say so, but at the same time, I do not want anyone to do something that might get them in trouble with the law. I do not want no one to hurt anyone, no matter the situation. You see me? And I'm not talking about self-defense. Self-defense is in a different type of way. You know what I mean? Yeah, because let's say that the man attacked the female, then and then the female defended herself, then that's something where I cannot really and truly say, okay, all right, the female wrong for this or that. No, because self-defense is self-defense. You see me? But overall, if both parties or both persons don't act violent, there won't be any need for self-defense. So you get what I said to you, you see? And whenever you find yourself where you're being cheated on, right? Or should I say, whenever you find yourself in a situation where you're being cheated on, one of the best things you can do is try and work on yourself. Try and see if you can, you know, make your life be better and become a better person. That's one of the good things to do too as well. You see me? Anyways, you can let me know what you think about the video. You can let me know what you think about the things that I said to you in this video. You can tell me if I am wrong or if I'm right, and so on. Alright? And here's where I'm going to leave it. So until next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. And my name Dancehall Skilla. You know, big up on yourself. You see it.
Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Yeah, man. Hey yo, Skilla.